Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this quick and easy trick-or-treat bag. I have cut roughly two 15 by 20 inch rectangles and four roughly 20 by 3 inch strips. I will take my strips of 20 by 3 inch. I will take two right sides to right sides and I will sew those down the long sides of the strips. I will leave the short sides unsewn, that way I can flip them later on. For the two big rectangles, I will place those right sides together, and I will only sew on three sides of that. On the big rectangle, I will clip the corners so that way I get a nice point. I do, however, take all my seams and I will serge them so that way I have a finished seam. Now I go ahead and turn my strips in right side out. Once the straps are flipped right sides out, I do go ahead and press them off camera so that I get a nice flat handle. Then I will take each end of the handle and I will attach them to the top part of the bag and sew that down. With the handles basted down onto the top of the bag, I will go ahead and actually fold that bag down towards the inside of the bag and create a nice finish edge. And I have a finished trick-or-treat bag. From start to finish, this only took me about 30 minutes to sew. So this is a very easy, beginner-friendly project. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. And have a safe and happy Halloween. Bye.